It doesn't matter if you have a motorhome or a travel trailer. Absolutely nobody likes their trade-in value. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your RV yourself, which websites to list them, which websites not to list them, and little tricks to help you get the absolute most money when you're selling it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, I'm Matt from Matt's RV Reviews, the world's only channel that gives you the true unbiased review about everything when it comes to RVs. And again, today, this is the list of our agenda that we're going to go over. I'm going to show you how to list it on Facebook, RVTrader, and Craigslist. And I'm going to show you where not to do it, and also what scams to look for on Craigslist. There's a lot of scammers out there. And then to wrap it all up, I'm going to finish it with tips and tricks to get the most money for selling your RV.
$1 million.
So first, let me show you how to list it on the internet. And over here, I actually have to enter the internet. Foremost, let me show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So when you log into your Facebook account, you click Marketplace right there. This takes you to Facebook Marketplace, and then right here, this blue bar says sell something. You want to go and you want to click vehicles for sale, and what's your vehicle type? RV/camper. Now, the make, I'm going to use Coachman Murata of 35BH of 2018 for an example. So you're going to want to put Coachman Murata, and then the model of 35BH. Year, 2018. Exterior color, this really doesn't make a difference. I don't know why they do this. Brown and brown. Price, we're going to put $99,999. Describe your item. You want to have a good description. I will show you at the end towards the end of this video how to do a good description. And then you just want to upload. You want to upload all 20 pictures, but I'm just going to do 4 or 5 just for this video to make it quick. And then you post it. Just like that, you have it marked on Facebook Marketplace. What's great is people are able to look at all your pictures. They're able to read your description. They're able to see where you're located, and they're able to see who you are to make sure that you're an authentic person. That's Gary Vaynerchuk. I love that guy. Great. Let's go to RVTrader. I'll show you how to use RVTrader. Now, in my opinion, RVTrader is going to be your best option, but you have to pay for it. And here's what I don't like. It says sell anything for $29.99. That one isn't a good one. So you go over here to the sidebar and you click sell your RV. You get started. You have 3 packages. Basic, 2 weeks, 4 photos, $29.99. Enhanced, 8 weeks, 20 photos. You're able to add a video and you're able to be featured. That's the best one. Well, I mean, over here is the best one. 50 videos, blah, 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 $149. I personally wouldn't do that. I would select the one for $79.99. It is good enough. So then you sign in, continue. Great. Once you're signed in, I really like RVTrader because you're able to select the class year, make, Coachman, and then check this out. You're only allowed to select the models that Coachman has. So we're going to the Murata. Now, special note, you want to make sure you don't select Murata Select. You want to select Murata because there is a difference between the two. And then trim. This is the model number. Oops, not that one. You want to make sure right here, 35BH. Enter a price, $99,999. Price tag, make offer. Can't do that. Then again, you want to do a kick-ass description. And then fuel type, gas. And then this should all fill in by itself. Blah, blah, blah. Then you go to next. Photos. Again, you select a couple great photos. Okie dokie. Add a YouTube video. Need help with video? This is a great tool to show you how to upload a video. Or you can contact me directly. And now next, enter your contact info. Great. And then enter promo code. Not Taco Bell. If there is a promo code, Matt's RV Reviews. Then you check out. Finally, Craigslist. Now, Craigslist has really gone downhill, and I don't like Craigslist. And trust me, before you see any videos on Craigslist, I have a video right up here about how to spot scams on Craigslist. But no, see how many nearby Craigslists? I live in Anne Arundel County, which is closer to Annapolis, but you want to make sure you list it in, like, if for me, for an example, in Annapolis, Baltimore, and Washington, D.C. So you click RVs, and then you click Post an RV. For sale by owner, and you scroll down to RVs by owner. Now, the one thing I will say, what I really like about Craigslist is you're able to create your own title. So what you can do is you could do 2018 Coachman Murata 35 BH. 35 BH. And then you're able to put bunk, house, class A, motor, home. Right? Price, $99,999. Specific location, Pasadena, Maryland. Alrighty then. Then again, great description. Right? Scroll down. Make and model. Coachman Murata 35 BH. Fuel. Gasoline. RV type. Class A. Transmission. Automatic. This has emails, by phone, by text, and then you click continue. And then it gives you a map. You can have it to your actual address, or you can have it wherever you want. Then you click continue. Craigslist, you're allowed to have 24 pictures, which, again, I recommend you using all 24, but I'm just going to use these 5 for a quick example. Done with images. Great. Publish. Now with this, I just got an email sent to Matt Sells RVs. Let me go here and show it to you. Gmail. All right. Click this. Great. Here's the email, and then you click this link one time, accept the terms of use. Great. And now my post is listed. Now I am going to take this down in a second, but here it is. Now here's the big thing. Craigslist will never email you again, and if they do email you for some reason, they're never going to ask you to log in. That is a Craigslist scammer. Again, I have a video up here how to identify a Craigslist scammer. So make sure you know what to watch out for. All right, great. So now I'm going to show you where not to list your RV. When it comes to websites, RVT.com I do not recommend. The reason why is because they don't have a good feature function right this second where it's showing your local ads. Now, there's a little exception right there. If you have a used diesel pusher, people are willing to travel for that. Other than that, I really wouldn't use RVT.com. Consignment at a dealership or brokers, do not use them because I can't tell you how many times, listen, these brokers, they charge you per month and they don't tell you what to do. They ask you what price you want to sell it for. I've seen somebody have their unit for $139,000 and it was literally worth $90,000. But they paid them to do the consulting and the per day and everything, and they knew they would never, ever, ever sell their unit. Even if they were able to sell their unit, the banks wouldn't finance that unit for that amount of money. So next, I appreciate you sticking around for this part of the video.
So I'm going to give you tips and tricks to make more money while selling your RV. Follow me. Say hi to the crew.
Hi. What's up?
So when it comes to selling your RV, it's very important about how you take the pictures. Again, whatever you're doing it on, Facebook, Craigslist, RVTrader, you want to use the absolute max. Let's say it's 20. So for the outside, you want to make sure you take at least 4 pictures on the outside. I recommend probably 6. You're going to want to hit this angle, that side view angle, and then a rear angle. And then you're going to want to do the same thing on the other side 4 times at least. 6 times is even better. So then, this isn't a good shot. Let's go over here. The first interior shot needs to be the money shot, as I call it. So follow me. You want, in a motorhome or a travel trailer, you want to get back as far as you can. And this picture, here's what it looks like. Don't worry, I'm going to put it up on the screen right now. That's the money shot. That's the first impression of the interior, because that's the most important one. First impressions matter. Then you want to make sure you get that side and then just the dinette. You want to sit back like this. I know I look stupid, but this is how you sell RVs. Very important. Inside the sink. You know, bedroom. And then when you get to your showers, unless you're in a big motorhome, it's going to be a tight shot. So you bring this one sideways. This is how you properly take pictures of your motorhome. Great. So next, you want to have a kick-ass description. What I mean is, don't put, "Hi, this is a 2018 Coachman Murata 35BH and I'm looking to sell it." Say, look, one owner. List why you're selling it. Are you upgrading? Are you getting out of the RV industry? Why are you upgrading? Say, hey, if you have a Class A motorhome and you're trading up for a diesel, explain that. Explain all the maintenance records. Say, look, I've maintained this whole thing. I've changed the oil 3 times. Don't change it. Don't say every year. Say 3 times every single year. I go up on the roof. Take a picture of the roof. I can't believe I didn't mention that. Take a picture of the roof. With RVs, it doesn't matter what the value is. If the condition sucks, it doesn't matter what the NADA book says. So the better the condition is, the more money you're going to be able to get. And just be genuine. Say, hey, you know, my family and I, this was the first motorhome that we bought. We didn't know what we liked and what we didn't like, and that's why we're selling it. Or if somebody passed away, that does happen a lot, explain that, hey, this is not your RV. This is for because your so-and-so passed away and it's over to you. And make sure you have all your paperwork and stuff already ready. So many times, a lot of these RV flippers, they'll have a title and it won't be in their name, and then they'll just pass the title off to you. Make sure you don't do that. Make sure you have all your paperwork ready. And here's the big thing. It's going to be very difficult if you owe more on your RV than what it's worth. It's going to be very difficult. Send me an email, Matt Sells RVs, or no, not that email, mattsrvreviews@gmail.com. I'm going to send you something, a little personal email to let you know, because when you're upside down on your RV, you're going to have to come out of pocket whatever the balance is from what you're able to sell your RV at. I gotta take this phone call. Cool, so my final secret tip is this. It's Facebook groups. So there's a whole bunch of Facebook groups out there, and let's see. If you have a Tiffin Motorhome, you go to Tiffin Motorhomes group. Anne Arundel County Yard Sales, this, that. There's all these different groups. Here's one. Motorhome Class C groups to buy and sell. This one's in Northeast Texas. But they have all these different types of groups. You then go to RVTrader and you click your URL, which is right here. You highlight it and you hit Control-C to copy it. and then you go to this group, and you click this, and you click Control V, which, look at that, it brings up your RVTrader listing. This, honestly, is one of my biggest secrets for selling used motorhomes at our dealership. I will put them in these Facebook groups. So then, again, you do this. You want to make it short and sweet. Hey, everyone, I'm selling my unit, right? Blah, blah, blah. I'm selling my unit, and then you publish it, right? Post. So now here it is. So when let me close this out. So when a customer clicks this, boom, it takes them to your unit on RVTrader, and you're able to put it in all of these Facebook groups. That is the key. The people in these groups, they're looking for RVs. So that's one of the biggest tips and tricks for selling your RV. Great, so that wraps up this video about how to sell your RV yourself. If you have any tips or tricks that I didn't mention in this video, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you have any questions about selling your RV, don't worry, I can help you. Send me an email, mattsrvreviews@gmail.com, if you have any questions or anything. Also, if you don't know what your RV's worth, I have another video about how to value your RV, what it's worth. I'll have a link right up there or a link in the description below. Finally, make sure you subscribe if you like to watch videos like this. And then finally, I'm starting something new, a little something that I'm calling Matt's Cats. And I'm picking a cat once a video who needs a home, just for my way of spreading some good karma in the world. This is Pixie. She needs a home if you live in Maryland. I'll have a link to her in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.